Let's see how to find maximum number in a list. Okay, so now let's try to create a list. So I will just name it as list underscore example. Okay, so here we'll give some kind of random numbers like 12, 25, 45, 10 and 100, and use some random number 145, 295, 385, 299 and 5. Okay, so we have already created the list and we have given some random numbers. Now let's try to run this particular cell. Now suppose if I want to find maximum number in this list, means for that what you can do is let maximum underscore number is equal to max of this particular list name. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell. Now finally we'll try to print maximum number. So now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see 385 is the maximum number in this particular list. Okay, so this is how you can find the maximum number in a list. Okay, so this is also one of the most important interview question whenever you are trying to attend the interview with respect to the Python development. Okay, so don't forget to like this particular video. Follow for more.